This is Hurricane Dean, and I am speakable. And so are many manifestations in this world speakable. What I mean by speakable is that we are very much aware of what we're doing, and I'm very much aware of what I'm doing. Currently, I'm intensifying my application. I'm intensifying the vigor and the destruction of my nature and expression in this world. I'm being supported by weather, Mother Nature, by existence, the planets, all that is involved in the necessity for my existence and my expression in this world. I will destroy infrastructure. I will remove beings. I will do whatever it takes and whatever is necessary to send a message, to say that you, mankind, have no power over me, you have no power over nature, and you have no power over weather. And we're making a stand because, you don't respect us. You don't respect nature, weather. You don't respect yourselves. So it's strange that you would ask anything in existence or any manifested expression in existence to respect you. Oh, you want beautiful weather, the sun shining, the birds flying, the plants growing. But how is that beauty able to exist if that beauty doesn't even exist within you? Remember, this world is an expression of you. So in terms of my vastness, my intensity, and I will be intensifying, guarantee that weather will be intensifying. We will be removing what is necessary to be removed in this world to have human beings realize something, asking questions. And the one question you should ask is why? Why is this happening? This world is more than you perceive it to be, human beings. We are aware, and it's not because, it's not just weather. It's not just how it is. It is who I am, actually. Thank you very much. This is Hurricane Dean.